Coming up, we've got something a little bit different in store for you. Paul's cooking up, wait for it, beer scrambled eggs. I can't wait to try this one.
You've done some smoked trout at home, smoked ocean trout, and you're thinking, what am I going to make with that? Well, I'm going to do breakfast. And it's a really good breakfast because it's a beer scrambled eggs with goat's cheese and smoked trout. Seriously, it's delicious. So first up, the eggs. So it's just 4 eggs in here, and I'm just going to give them a little bit of a whip. That's good. Now I'm going to take some butter and just put it into my pan, because I never know with this induction system how hot it's going to be or not, so that's all right. So whilst that melts, I'm going to get some cream, and I'm just going to pour a little bit of cream in the eggs. That's probably enough, because I'm going to supplement that with a beer, and not just any beer. It's called Hop Hog. It's an American pale ale, so it's got a lovely fruity, citrusy hop character, and that's going to really work with the smoke in the smoked trout, and it's going to work with the sourness of the goat's cheese because it's nice and fruity and kind of grapefruit and passion fruit, and it's just going to be beautiful in the egg. So open that, and I'm only going to tip twice the amount of cream. And then to that, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. You're not going to need a lot of salt because of the salt in the smoked trout. And then that's ready for my pan, so this just goes in. Look at this. It's just beautiful, you know, and it's firm, but it's moist, it's sweet. So what I'm going to do, whilst that just warms, the eggs start to warm through, I just want some chunks, and I don't want to break it down too much. I just want to break it into nice bits, so that, you know, when we have a mouthful of the egg and whatnot, we get some nice little chunky bits of smoked trout as well. So that might be enough of that. I'll just wash my hands. How are you going, eggs? See, they're coming along. I know I say scrambled eggs, but you just allow them to fold a little bit. You might have noticed I did some tomatoes. Sometimes I serve this with toast, sometimes with a potato rosti. Today, I'm just cooking it as it is. Right, so I've got some goat's cheese, and I've also got some lovely dill. So I just might put some dill in now. This is just to flavour it up. It's probably enough. It's just going to give it some nice character. So now I'll crumble my goat's cheese in, as much or as little as you like. There's kind of no hard and fast rule. When you cook like this, it's really just up to what you want. Scatter that. Give it all a little bit of a mix, and basically cook to your liking. You know, some people like their eggs a bit runny, some like them firmer. Because there's a bit of beer in here, I put a little bit, well, I reckon enough beer, some might say too much. So the eggs might just be a little bit runnier than normal. And as always, take them off when you reckon they're done. I reckon that's pretty good. I'll just leave it there and I'll get my plate. So I've got my plate. And just to finish, I love my pepper. So beer scrambled eggs with goat's cheese and that beautiful smoked ocean trout that I did a while back. As I said, nice bit of toast on the side. Yeah, potato rosti is quite good. I love that. Breakfast of champions. You make it, you decide. I'm pretty happy. Yum.